Scientists distinguish between empty space and true nothingness by probing their properties. A vacuum, though stripped of matter, pulses with unseen forces, energy shifts, and ephemeral particles. This dynamic environment defies stillness, governed by quantum laws that permit brief particle formation from apparent void. True nothingness, by contrast, would demand the absence of everything. No matter, energy, forces, or even the framework of space-time. Current physics suggests the state lies beyond our observable reality. The universe's fabric is woven from quantum fields, making absolute nothing a hypothetical construct. Even the vastest cosmic voids obey physical laws, retaining gravitational influence and latent energy. Experiments like particle collisions reveal vacuum's hidden potential. High-energy impacts can materialize particles from emptiness, proving that empty space brims with latent energy. Such phenomena highlight the chasm between theoretical nothingness and the active vacuums within our universe.